How to sign up for Instacart membership. If you wish to sign up or create an account on Instacart, it is actually relatively simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Instacart app, and this is the type of interface you will see. If you already have an account, you can just tap on the login button from the very bottom, but if you don't have an account, go ahead and then tap on sign up. Now you can sign up using your phone number, or you can also sign up using your email address, but aside from that, you can also sign up using your Google account or your Facebook account. Now, but depending upon what is comfortable for you, if you'd like to create an independent email address and sign up using that particular one, then you can go ahead and then make sure to enter your respective details right here. So let me also go ahead and then enter the details, then tap on the continue button. After that, you will be asked to create your password and choose other login details, and your account will be successfully created. This way you can sign up for Instacart. I hope the video really helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.